what they look like here. The flat part here that has the holes in it would actually go up underneath and attach to the granite. The clip itself with the wing nut then holds the sink in place. So this is the main part here. This is the part we're going to be messing with on the first 24 hours. This actually attaches to the bottom of the granite underneath and allows the epoxy to go through those holes. This is the two-part epoxy that you would mix together. You're going to mix this together. Make sure you have latex gloves or vinyl gloves on. And when you're mixing this product, just like I am here, you want to mix equal parts of both. And then once you mix it together, you're going to obviously see, like you see kind of a grayish tone and a black tone there. Once you mix it together, you want a nice equal tone of color to know that you've really mixed it well and appropriately. Obviously, depending on which epoxy you would get, you would follow the directions on that particular product. All right, you want to just kind of smear it on to the back side of the flat bracket and push it into place. When you do that, the epoxy is going to attach not only to the granite, but then it comes through those holes. Here, I just wanted to take a razor blade and clear out the old silicone that was holding the sink up and replace it with some fresh new silicone. That way, whenever the sink did reattach, it was waterproof and sealed. After 24 hours, I was able to put the bracket in place and tighten down the wing nut. Now the sink is securely in place. I left the old holder, as you can see, there in place as well. Didn't want to mess with it. Just figured any extra support is great. Just a shot showing that the gap has closed and it is resealed and the sink is like new again. So just a quick tip, it's an easy project and you shouldn't be afraid to tackle it.